A boat has just set off in Istanbul, in Turkey. We'll see how it goes. It's a tour bus. They're trying to lead out each person. But on the normal ones, it's 5 lead out person. They take you to the same place anyway, so that's a tour bus there as well. And this is the other one. I said a bus. I mean, sorry, a boat. I think I said a bus there. And this one is the one what's 5 litre. It takes you to all the 5 islands, and they come after every 1 hour. You've come here past 10, so I think they start at 11:30. Yeah, a bit early. Absolutely lots of boats. They come so close to each other, just like cars. I mean, here they drive like mad. Absolutely mad. And then you have some more just coming from there.
The cars even go on train tracks.
Now another one's set it off from that area.
You know what's the mad that?
And I can see lots more boats just there, all close to each other.
Two more there, another speedboat, another boat, and another boat. Oh, I love that. That's a machine boat. Military. Military? Yeah. It's like that. Military.
No, it's not a military one.
Yeah, that's not military. Yeah, I know.
Not me to say that anyway.
How many boats?
That's the tide.
In.
Lovely water.
Yeah.
Very deep, shallow sea.
Loads of water.
And that's where you come out of Grand Bazaar. After my tour yesterday, we kept on going through markets and markets and markets. It was never ending. Absolutely thousands of shops. Easy to get lost, hard to come back out.
I thought you were from there.
That's another mosque.
No, take a pick up that mosque. Yo!
There's one just behind it, there in the middle. That one's got some good music kicking off. And then there you can see 2 mosques. I'm not sure, that must be Hagia Sophia. Either one, I'm not sure which one. It says 1 hour. So a helicopter. It's really fast.
He's coming. Come here, come on.
It is forecast to rain today. It is August. I've noticed a lot of BBC weather has been giving fake weather warnings. Yesterday it's supposed to be thunder all day, but it wasn't. They have cargo ships. I can see one coming. Lots and lots of exports and imports in this country. It's a double bag. Sorry about that. Look at these beautiful waves. Looks stunning. Just because the boat started to move, and then causing all this gorgeous looking waves. And there goes the boat. Here comes another. What a beast. Beautiful beast. Come through like cars, these boats. I think this is the other boat, what I was saying is cheap one. Comes every hour. Maybe this one, maybe not, but it looks like it's that one. So that's what we cost the other day. 5 litre to 5 islands, one way. You pay with the same card, that token card. What you do with the trams. The trams are very cheap. So is these boats. Very cheap. What's your channel called?
It's Game 54, bro.
I don't understand that.
Yeah, man.
It sounded like hello. Talking about the weather, I think God's just listened to me. The sun's just popped out. There's a guy doing fishing there, I don't know if you can see him. There's tall buildings and millions of hotels everywhere in all these 5 islands. And all these 5 islands you can buy food, there's toilets, there's millions of hotels all over. If you are looking for a beach kind of island, I only noticed one of them. And that's where we're off now, Pleasure Island. It's very confusing because they don't stop for long. You need to be prepared to get off, just like you do in a bus. Are you hungry, Mia? No. Job? And another one? And another one? And another one? Come on! There's a mosque right up there. I'm not so sure which one it is. I just noticed this lovely marble bench kind of stuff here. They're ready packed to go somewhere. I'd love to take one home.
Yeah.
Could be my dining table. They look amazing. Pure marble. There's people sitting on them. I don't know if they're going to make some new benches here, but there are some now what I'm sitting on like. In front of this is where your trams drop you off and the taxis. I haven't catched a taxi, there's no need, you've got trams. Talk about trams, there's one coming, they're coming like every 5 minutes. And they are pretty fast. Not a lot of chairs, so you do stand up. Expected, they're electrical trams, very good. Very good service. That's just to show you his front of the sea. Right, I think my boat's here. I'm going to have to end the video now. Please like and share, please subscribe. I am still in Istanbul, I've got another 4 days left. And look forward to the next video. So stop looking at my video.